How to use Deep Wheel by Posh Auto Care. Here in the Posh Lab, this is one of our most used products because we work on so many European cars with so much heavy brake dust. We wanted to make a wheel cleaner strong enough to conquer that brake dust, but safe on all wheel surfaces. Step number one, you want to make sure the wheels are cool to the touch and out of direct sunlight. Here, we like to work one wheel at a time. This ensures that the product will never dry on the wheel. That's the last thing you want to do. There's two ways that we like to clean wheels in the Posh Lab. One is we like to pre-foam the wheel completely, then spray the product on the wheel, and then agitate and rinse. Deep Wheel also works great on tires to remove any old buildup and grime. And the other solution is if you don't have a foam cannon, make sure the wheel's cool to the touch, spray liberally across the wheel face and brake. From here, we're gonna use multiple different brushes to get in all the crevices, the barrels and faces, and then thoroughly rinse. We wanna make sure we use a lot of water to completely remove all the deep wheel from the wheels. The final step is we like to use one of our microfibers with a little bit of paint finish to help pick up some of that water and dry your wheels perfectly. Learn more about Deep Wheel and the other range of products we offer at poshautocare.ca.